CQDX, CQDX. This is Havana calling. CQDX, CQDX, CQDX. This is Radio Havana calling all shortwave listeners and radio amateurs. Welcome to... DXers Unlimited, Radio Havana's weekly feature dedicated to the fascinating world of radio communications.
Hola, mis amigos y radioaficionados all around the world now enjoying part of their time listening to this radio hobby program that is on the air twice weekly over Radio Havana Cuba. I'm your host, Arnaldo Arnicoro, my amateur radio post 19, Charlie Oscar 2 Kilo Kilo 02KK, and it's always very nice to establish two-way contact with listeners of this show on the several hub bands that I operate. Here's now item 1 of today's program, amigos. Good news for everyone. Sunspot Cycle 25 now clearly starting up. I repeat the headline. Sunspot Cycle 25 now clearly starting up. 3 active sunspot regions are in sight at this moment. Now, item 2. 2 digital communications modes made possible to communicate even under very poor propagation conditions. They are known as FT8 and FT4. As a matter of fact, signals that are not even heard on headphones are recovered from the noise and translated into perfect text on the screen of the computer. A good example also brought to my attention by a local radio amateur is that on what sounds like a dead 10-meter band recently, FT8 and FT4 signals showed cell stations call signs that you can attempt to call. Also, there's the JT65, also fantastic digital mode, but it takes more time to establish communications. Even in my opinion, a very simple PSK31 digital mode is able to provide many hours of enjoyment when poor propagation conditions make the use of a single sideband voice next to impossible and CW hard to use. PSK31 is the way to start, in my opinion, and you can test it easily because it does not even need a radio to computer interface connection. Just search the World Wide Web and download the FLDG software package. That's FLDG, that's Fox, Lima, Delta, India, Golf, India software package. And I will now spell it slowly and phonetically. Fox, Lima, Delta, India, Golf, India. That's FLDG software package. To get ready to copy the name of this multi-digital mode software that is also freeware. Then download the file and follow the well-written instructions. There are 2 become PSK31 digital signals with a high probability of seeing them on the screen. One frequency on 20 meters, 14070, 14070 on the 20-meter band. That is 14070 kilohertz on 20 meters. They can be heard when the band is open. At night, when the 20-meter band may be closed, try tuning the digital PSK31 mode signal on 7070 kilohertz, 40-meter band. Whenever signals are present on the frequency with PSK31 waterfalls, you will see them in the waterfalls display and very easy to identify. Now to enjoy all the advantages of radio amateur digital communication, especially the FT8 and FT4, when the middle of the edition of DXers Unlimited continues in just a few seconds. I'm your host, Arnicoro, CO2KK, here in Havana, Cuba. This is Radio Havana Cuba, and now more about today's main topic, amateur radio digital communication modes, now sweeping the band. The simplest possible audio coupling feed from the radio speakers to the computer input using the machine microphone input works amazingly well. No need for special sophisticated interface. As a matter of fact, just placing the microphone close to the radio loudspeaker will immediately show the noise of the digital software waterfall display. And there are signals there, you will see them definitely. The next easy step is to immediately. The next easy step is to click on top of any of the signals, and soon you will see decoded text coming on the screen. You have selected the proper decoding software, of course. If you try to pick up PSK31 signals in the local evening hours, then try 40 meters band, again the frequency 7070 kilohertz. By the way, amigos, as a comment, some of the more sophisticated digital modes have amazing capabilities of recovering extremely weak signals that are buried into the noise, making it possible to establish two wavelengths, strong signals that cannot be heard on the radio, but can be picked up by the computer software. Nonetheless, they are grabbed by the software and displayed as perfectly copied text. FT8 provides the translation of 13 characters, two-way communications provided the necessary information to confirm two-way contact. Now here's our next Radio Havana related item here at the middle of the edition of DXers Unlimited, your favorite Radio Havana program. With yours truly, Arnie Coro at the microphone. This is one of your favorites. Arnie with answering your Radio Havana related questions. Listener Radio sent this question. Dear Arnie, you have said that the tail end of this solar cycle is now in progress. So I would like to know what antennas should be installed to maximize the possibilities of using the HF amateur band that will be open during this time. Well, amigo Reginald, my advice is to aim for antennas that can cover the frequency range from 160 meters to 20 meters as your first option. There are many plans available, and a simple quarter-wave vertical of 20 meters will work during the daytime hours if the bands are open. Please send your email reports and comments to info.rhc@enet.cu. I say it again, info.rhc like India, November, Foxtrot, Oscar, Romeo, Hotel, Charlie, info.rhc. The symbol for at enet, that's Echo, November, Echo, Tango.cu. Or via mail, send a letter or postcard to Arnie Coro, Radio Havana Cuba, Havana, Cuba. See you at the weekend edition of the show. Hope that the solar activity continues moving up. The cycle 25 is definitely now starting up without any doubt.
And that's all for today. This is Arnie Coro, Radio Amateur CO2KK, your host here at Radio Havana's DXers Unlimited, saying 73 and very good DX.
The unmistakable voice of Arnie Coro and DXers Unlimited.